if you're gonna go inside yourself, like if you're gonna heal inside the inner self, you want to go into the inner healing, you have to go to the source. So the source is the spirit.
Rest your mind, take a breath, feel the words that are said. Take a moment to feel everything. Maybe you'll see we all feel everything. So that's the warrior. They're feeling it just like everyone else is feeling it, but they're doing it anyway. I woke up that day on March 20th. That was about a week after my practice had been shut down by the lockdown. And I had been in a bit of a panic about that. Always loved what I do, helping people, guide the healing journey, helping them feel better. And when I had to stop my entire practice, I thought, whoa, okay, what am I gonna do now? I opened up the laptop and I typed a little note in a Facebook group that I run. I said, you know what? The world needs to understand how to heal at home right now. Who wants to write a chapter? In 48 hours, I had all 24 yeses, and 5 weeks later, that first book was on Amazon.
If you have a prayer rug and you only unroll it to pray on it, you roll it back up, you roll up that energy. So it's talking about, freeing your mind and freeing your space to create the energy so creativity can always happen.
So you have to be in the moment. You have to be cognizant of the fact that you're overlooking your own greatness. And if I don't stop to say, hey, look what you're doing, you're sidestepping your own greatness, you keep running and say it's a failure.
By taking care of your health first and just realizing that the more that you can make yourself feel better, stronger, healthier, you're going to show up feeling so much better in every other area. And then you're going to be feeling like you can give from a full cup to everyone else.
We all have good, bad, and ugly in ourselves, and accepting ourselves. Despite of everything, we're stepping out into the world or even within our world to see our darknesses and our shadows, having the courage to be authentic and be yourself.
There are modalities that people will do things to us which make us feel better, but the most powerful healing, it comes from within us.
People don't understand how their bodies work, and I think that it's this understanding that gives you a little control and autonomy on how you feel about your body. And when you understand your body more, it gives you the power to stand up in the world and move forward.
Someone looks at this and says, I'm a little broken in this area, but I'm still okay, and I'm going to heal myself through it.
It's not just the book that you buy, it's more than that. We have a whole community on Facebook where people can come together after you purchase the book. You can ask any author any question if you have.
Anybody who has been feeling like they need a change, like there's something in their life that just isn't working. Anyone who's feeling any of those things is going to feel better reading this book because you're going to get all of these tools. And there's multiple volumes with 25 different authors and 25 different tools. So there's going to be a tool that's going to resonate with you.
Here's what I want you to know. You were born, so you are worthy. Your message matters.
You were looking for someone powerful. I just showed you your mirror.